Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create and run your very first HTML program using Notepad. Even if you've never written a single line of code before, don't worry, just follow along. So as a step one, let's first create a folder where we'll save all our HTML files. So on the desktop, I'm creating a folder. Click on new folder. I'm naming it HTML series or project, anything that you want to name. So here you go, our folder is created. You can give it any name. So keeping all your project files in one folder makes them easy to find and organize. Now open Notepad. So type your first HTML code just like I'm doing on the screen. So once you finish writing the code, click on File that you see here, then click on Save As. So you will have to navigate to the HTML projects folder that we have created, or the series. It's on the desktop, HTML series. So in the Save As type option, right? Choose all files. So now name your file. I'm naming it index.html. So make sure your file extension is HTML. So this is the file extension that I've highlighted here. So it should not be .txt. Okay, this is a text file. Usually we save Notepad files with .txt extension. For HTML, you have to name it .html. So this is the file name index. You can name it anything that you want. So this doesn't matter, but the extension should always be .html. So now click on save. That's it. So now open the folder and double click on index.html. The folder is HTML series. So the file that we've created in Notepad is saved here in this folder, HTML series folder that we created. So double click on this. So it will automatically open in your default web browser and you'll see your very first web page. So this is your very first web page. So this is your default browser. So this is the code that we have written. So don't worry if you don't understand the code or all of the tags that is mentioned in the code for now. So yeah, congratulations. You've successfully created and run your first HTML program using Notepad. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell because we'll be learning HTML CSS step by step. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.